Flight has fascinated humans for centuries, but how exactly do planes manage to stay in the air? The answer lies in the mechanics of flight, a delicate balance of forces that work together to lift aircraft off the ground and keep them soaring through the skies. At the heart of flight are four fundamental forces: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. These forces interact with each other to enable an aircraft to take off, cruise, and land safely. Lift is the force that opposes gravity and allows the plane to rise. It's generated by the wings as air flows over them. The shape of the wing, known as an airfoil, is designed to create a difference in air pressure between the top and bottom surfaces. Faster moving air over the top creates lower pressure, while slower moving air beneath creates higher pressure. This pressure difference generates lift, pushing the aircraft upward. Opposing lift is weight, the force of gravity pulling the aircraft back toward Earth. For an airplane to take off, lift must overcome the plane's weight. Engineers carefully design aircraft to balance these forces, ensuring that the lift generated is sufficient to carry the weight of the plane, passengers, and cargo. Thrust is the force that propels the plane forward. It's generated by engines which push air backward, propelling the aircraft forward through Newton's third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The faster the plane moves forward, the more air flows over the wings, increasing lift. Drag is the resistance an aircraft faces as it moves through the air. It's caused by friction and air pressure differences that slow the plane down. To maintain flight, thrust must overcome drag. Aircraft are designed with streamlined shapes to minimize drag and make flight more efficient. When lift equals weight and thrust equals drag, the aircraft can cruise at a constant altitude and speed. By adjusting these forces, pilots can climb, descend, and turn, controlling the plane's movement through the air. Flight is a complex dance of physics and engineering where these four forces work in harmony to achieve what once seemed impossible: human flight. Curious about more amazing feats of science and engineering? Subscribe to AI Explains It All and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next.